Pushed off the ball there. Not going to make any further progress now.
It is very, very tight.
Well, it hasn't exactly gone to plan so far, but there's no need to panic. There's still plenty of time to get back into this. As always, an early goal would help swing things back in their favour.
We are already promptly back underway.
Liverpool don't need to press the panic button just yet. They may have to tweak their setup first. If they don't grab an early goal in this second half, they can't hold back though.
Firmino, unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Lingard. Matip battles to win it back. Alexander-Arnold. Keita goes looking. Mane. Out wide to the right. He's got away. Swept in. Oh, well defended. That had to be done.
Liverpool are definitely going about this the right way.
Well, this isn't the time to talk about risks now, Jim, is it? They just have to hurl everything at it and hope for a break.
Well, there's no two ways about it. This is what they have to do.
Yeah, he's fouled him there. There could be trouble here. For now, the referee is keeping his cards in his pocket.
Manchester have anticipated an aerial bombardment.
Just looks like mass defence.
Yeah, it's a case of needs must at certain times, Peter, and they have to respond to what's being asked of them.
Lingard, deftly done. And he's made certain that won't get through. Forward it goes. He's had a go! Aimed long and direct.
Keep calm and carry on. That's the job in a nutshell now.
Lukaku is on his own.
Manchester are looking to make this one safe. They want to reduce the risk.
And it's Herrera. More than happy to take the muscular approach. Oh, good interception. And the Herrera. Damian. He's got paid to a promising move. Looks to clip it forward.
Well, it remains to be seen whether they can come up with that little bit of class to...
And time is up. One goal settled it. A tense and exciting game that just got away. Thoughts on what we've just seen?